Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. That couch that you saw there is what I'm about to start cleaning. Stay tuned for how that will turn out. Tell you the light color couch is a silk couch that somebody else in the past did dry cleaning to it. The homeowner wasn't really happy with how it turned out, and she was a little afraid of letting us do a wet cleaning. I did a wet cleaning to it. She was concerned with shrinking the fibers or any discoloration. That didn't happen. And I want you to see, you will see the before and after how it turns out. Alright, as you saw in the video, I wasn't able to get all the stains out, especially the ink stain. I got a lot of that color out, but it's deep into the fibers, deep into the cushions. It looks much better. When it dries, it will look way lighter. It will look, in my opinion, looks much better. But that's how it turned out. That was an upholstery cleaning that we did. The client was extremely happy when she saw that we put up corner guards, that I took my time, that way I didn't scratch any of the new hardwood floors, and the couch turned out great. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, please leave your comment, and thank you so much for watching.